In today's little Maya tip, I'm going to share with you my favourite preference setting, if it's possible to have one. I don't see many people using it and I think it's a really useful setting. The setting is Center Face Selection. We can access it by using Windows, Settings, Preferences, and in the Preference window going down to Selection, and here we have Polygon Selection. By default it's set to whole face, which you're used to, and then if you change it to center and hit save and go into face selection, you'll notice that you get all these dots on your model. This means that you can't select the face unless your mouse is within tolerance of the center. It might take a bit of getting used to if you've never used it before, but I believe it's super useful for two main reasons. So as a beginner, I think it's a really great diagnostic tool to spot errors with your model. And I don't know if you noticed, some might have picked up on it. Can see we've got some dots here. It's a face where I extruded and didn't move it. And that's something that happens a lot when you're modeling, especially as a beginner. And if you haven't got center face selection on, you won't have a clue. Whereas if you have center face selection on, you will very quickly be able to diagnose that issue on your model and then either undo to not extrude the face or merge the vertices to fix it. And the other reason for using it is obviously its purpose as a selection tool. You can very quickly use a marquee tool to drag and select the tops and bottoms of objects, and then I can just use the shift and greater than key if I want to grow my selection any further. I also think it helps you to not accidentally select the back faces of objects as well. This is one of my favourite settings. I've used it ever since I was shown it many years ago. So if you do give it a go, let me know how you get on.